To get the curls you just saw, I'm going to do a tight wrap, then leave my curlers in for about 2 hours. This is a really fun method that will give you beautiful curls in just a short amount of time. Take a piece of your hair and with the spray bottle, spray your hair with water so it is slightly damp. Brush your hair so it is smooth before it goes into the cozy curler. Then wrap your hair tightly around the cozy curler so it indents the foam. Once all of the hair has been wrapped around the cozy curler, you can begin to fold it in half. After folding it in half, find the elastic on the net and open the net up. Bring the net around the curler and then twist it and do it one more time. That's it. Now I'm just going to repeat the process on the rest of my hair. It's time to take out your cozy curlers, so start by finding the elastic on your net and then unraveling the net so all of your hair comes out of the curler. Repeat this process until all of your hair is out of all of the curlers and you have beautiful curls.